Question 12. Heparin is available as 10,000 units per 10 ml. What volume is needed to give 35,000 units? Well, the units are the same. They're called units, right? They're the same, whatever they are, right? Units is a medical thing. Like they need to be grams and grams or milligrams and milligrams. As long as they're the same, with units here and units here. So our unit check is complete, and we're happy we don't have to do any conversions, right? Unit check done. We're asked what volume. This here is the prescribed amount. Prescribed amount, right? It's 35,000 units. This is the amount per unit volume, 10,000 units. That's the amount for each unit, the amount per unit of volume. And finally, 10 mils is the unit volume. So those are the three numbers involved in our in the formula. So our volume is going to be the amount prescribed, goes in there on top, multiplied by the unit volume, and then when they finish multiplying them, you divide them by the amount per unit volume. So I'll fill in those numbers. The amount prescribed then is 35,000. Multiplied by the unit volume is 10. All over the amount per unit volume, 10,000. So multiply the top figure here by 10, just add on a 0. So we get 350,000. 4 zeros now instead of 3. And that's all over 10,000. Now we can divide above and below by 10 just by striking off a 0. In a similar fashion, 2 zeros is dividing by 100 above and below. 3 zeros would be dividing by 1,000 above and below, and 4 zeros would be dividing by 10,000 above and below. So we end up with 35 over 1. And that's 35 what? That'll be 35. 35 over 1 is the same as 35, and that's mils. And that's our answer. Does it make sense? Well, if you had 20 mils, you see, you'd be going with 20,000 units. We want to get up to 35,000 units. So if we had 3 of these guys, 3 of them, we'd have 30 mils. And then we'd be up to 30,000 units. So 35 mil does make sense. So we should be happy enough with that.